In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook and Instagram messaging with GoHighLevel. Connecting your social inboxes directly into GoHighLevel lets you manage all your DMs, conversations, and leads from one place, which makes follow-up a lot easier. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to the Launchpad for the location you want to connect. The Launchpad is basically your starting dashboard for that specific location. Make sure you're in the right location if you manage more than one, because the integration is applied per location. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where all of your account level and location level configurations live, including integrations like Facebook and Instagram. Inside the Settings area, find and click on Integrations. This page is where GoHighLevel lists all the different apps and platforms you can connect, such as email providers, payment gateways, and in this case, your Meta accounts. On the integrations page, scroll until you see the Meta Facebook and Instagram section. You should see the logos with an option that says Connect. Go ahead and click on Connect under that Meta section. This will trigger a new window or tab where you'll be taken to Facebook's login and authorization screen. Now you're on the Facebook login page, click into the email field and enter the email address or phone number that you use to log into your Facebook account. This needs to be the account that owns or has admin access to the Facebook page and Instagram accounts you want to connect. Next, click into the password field and type in your Facebook password. Take a moment to double check that everything is correct, especially if you manage multiple accounts or use a password manager. When your login details are in, click on the Login button. Facebook may show you some permission prompts, depending on your setup. Simply confirm and allow the requested access so GoHighLevel can read and send messages on behalf of your connected Facebook and Instagram profiles. After you log in and approve access, you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel, and the connection will be completed automatically. From that point on, your Facebook and Instagram messages will begin flowing into your GoHighLevel conversations area so you can reply, track,